Nice. Very nice. Nice. Very nice.
G'day mate, 31 degrees, pretty warm. You feel the sunburn, it's intense. It must be high UV. So Neo-tec saw basic bottom end, Pharmatech big bore, hasn't been poured, stock standard, gasket, all that crap. Set them up has been modified, twin outlet. Haven't started yet, I've no idea. Had a bit of problems with the air dam or air filter, or the turbo comes up here, the plastic horn thing here. Didn't feel quite right. As you pulled it over, it grind on the flywheel. But I think I fixed it now. But yeah, pump her up some petrol and see she fast. I checked the spark in the shed. I pulled it out a few times to get spark plug. See if it's got spark plug. I've got a top cover ordered for it. I've got the cover over the air filter, but no top cover for the saw itself. That will come very soon. But I can swap one up from another saw I've got in the shed. But we'll see how she goes. If I get it idle and she sounds alright, I'll be happy with that. Anyway, we'll trade her up until she goes. That was easy. Getting hot. Mighty have a look at that clutch cover. Essentially you ran a bit. I was pumping oil. That's alright. Didn't check if it's all pumped. Bit noisy. But yeah, that sounds good. Happy with that. There's a few more heat cycles and see she goes from there. Alright guys. Thanks for watching. Second heat cycle for the day. They're cool now, probably at 25 degrees, 22 tonight. We'll see, hot before. Cold start. Choke, see what she does. That's it for this video.